Welcome back to Linux Rosa, guys. I'm gonna tell you how to download VirtualBox in Windows today, and I will also tell you how to install OS in that VirtualBox and how to allocate the space to that VirtualBox, and then we will start that OS and run, and we will enjoy it. So let's start the installation process, and I will tell you where to go and how to go in very easy steps. First step is go to VirtualBox install. Okay, the first website will be virtualbox.org. Go there, and simply, if you are on the Windows host, you will download this from here, the VirtualBox from here, from the Windows host. Just click on the Windows host and the installation will be started. I have already downloaded into my PC, so I won't install it completely. I will cancel it now. So after that, you need an OS for your VirtualBox. So the next step is install Ubuntu. So this is the official website. From the first website, the ubuntu.com. From here you can download this version of Ubuntu. Go download from here. This is 18.04, and after some time it will automatically start it. Okay, so it's 1.9 GB. I have already downloaded it, so I won't install it again. I will stop it. Okay, so next step is we have both installed the VirtualBox and the OS inside our system, the ISO file. Okay, you have to download the ISO of Ubuntu. I'm installing Ubuntu into my PC. The next step you have to do is open the VirtualBox. Right, this is the VirtualBox I have downloaded. I have also using Ubuntu. So now I will tell you how to you can say how to make a new image for your OS. So from here you can make a new image. You have to tell it, I'm telling the Linux, yep, Linux, and it is Ubuntu here, 64-bit, and then we have to assign it the memory. I have 8 GB of RAM, so I will be assigning it at least 4. Here we go, and then next. Okay, so you have to assign the complete space where this whole system will be. It should be like at least 40, I think, or 45. It will be okay. I'm assigning it into the C. Maybe 40 is okay. Okay, so this is the setup. So I will create it. Now this is the complete image ready, but I have to put the ISO file inside this. The Ubuntu ISO file I have downloaded from the ubuntu.com. Okay, I will double click on this. Wait. Now I have to put the ISO file in this. Now this system, this virtual machine is on right now, but it don't know which OS is inside this. So I have to tell it that go for this. Yeah, I have this Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, and this is 1.94 GB in 64-bit ISO file. I will click it and start. Okay, now it's downloading it. No, sorry, not downloading. It's installing that OS inside this VirtualBox. So we have to wait for it. Let's wait. So it took about 2 minutes in my system, and it's telling me if you want to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I will tell it to install the Ubuntu. It will take some time. Okay, now the setting is English. Okay, so yeah, continue. Normal installation. You install third-party graphic cards. Yes. saying erase disk and install Ubuntu. Let's say something else. Don't do this because it will delete all the system files if you are just downloading it on the dual boot. But if you are in the VirtualBox, it will be fine. It will not hurt anything. You have to do something else. Now from here we have to give it the space. We have given it 43 GB, and we have to partition, I think. There is no need for new partition. Just install it here. This root file and those files are required. Now from here you have to create some file systems which the Linux is in which the Linux need to understand. So you have to tell it which file system you are using. So I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so first of all you have to make 3 directories for Linux system, that is root, swap memory and home directory. So you have to choose wisely what you are doing. From here, from the free storage, we have 43 GB. Okay, so I will use I will go for the root. The root should be like, I have for 43 GB, so I will use like I can say 8 GB for that. Okay, an extension 4 for the general file system and the root. Okay, sign. This is the first step. The next step is you have to make the swap memory. The swap memory is from this. Okay, from the free space you have to make the swap memory. Okay, like swap memory should be double of the size of your RAM. So I have 8 GB, I will use 1400 in my case. And in swap memory you have to select the swap. Where is the swap? Where is the swap? Swap extension, we have to change the extension swap. Okay, so this is swap. Okay, let's go for okay. The next step is you have to make a home directory which is with the extension for the left. Okay, the left side this with the extension for and home. Okay, and say okay. So we are done with these steps, and after that you have to select the extension for files, these and this, they are selected, and install now. It will say that these are the settings we have done, and we are writing this on this and that and that. You can say okay, and now it will start installing. Okay, I'm living in Pakistan, so it says Karachi. I'll say okay, Karachi. Now it asks me for my name. I will give it my name. I have to choose a password. We are good with the setup, so continue. Now it will start the installing, copying the whole file from the ISO to the VirtualBox and complete the installation process of the Ubuntu. I will stop the video here and I will continue when it's done. So here we go, we are inside our Ubuntu machine right now, and this looks so beautiful. This is the first message. It says what's new in Ubuntu. It's telling me to do this and this and that, right? So I think we should, okay, done. So this is our machine, and from here we can go to the terminal. We can also go from Control Shift T. So this is my system, okay? Yeah, this is the whole files and whatever the system is. So I am very new on this system and I will be practicing. If you want my new video on the commands, the basic commands of Linux, please let me know into the comment section, and I will be uploading a new video on the commands of basic commands of Linux very soon. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you would like the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Allah Hafiz o Nasir.